The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Z Flip 7 have arrived, and they are impressive devices to say the least. But what colours do they come in? Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. We have gone full hands-on with everything Samsung just announced at Unpacked in other videos already live on the channel. What we want to do is focus on what they look like, and that means colours. What can you expect to see when you turn the device around and look at the back of it? Colours have become quite interesting in the last few years. A lot of brands are moving towards sort of muted colorways, and especially with the matte glass that has come in, it kind of goes with that. The vibrant, fun colours, at least in the top-end flagships, have kind of become a thing of the past, except with the Flip this year, there's one colour which I think everyone's going to be very impressed by. Starting with the Fold, we have 4 colours that the Fold 7 comes in, which I think is quite decent. I like that there's 4 options, 3 of them being available normally, and then 1 Samsung.com online exclusive. I want to start with the hero one, the blue. It is stunning. By far my favourite colour of the 4 that are available. With the matte glass and with that blue, it just looks so sophisticated and really elevates the whole design of the Fold to a different level. The hinge, the frame, the back glass, all of it really matches nicely, and it gives it that tinge of professionalism. It's different from the blue Fold 6 from last year, but I love them both. But the blue Fold 7, wow, it's got a stunning aesthetic. Then there is, of course, the standard colorway black that comes with pretty much every flagship Samsung phone now, and it looks very, very nice. With the Fold 7, I kind of like the aesthetic of it because black is known as a slimming color, and the Fold 7 is quite slim, 8.9 millimeters thin. And the fact that the black and the thinness kind of marry each other make it look really, really sophisticated, really nice. It's felt, really svelte, it looked like in the hand. The other normal color that's available is the Silver Shadow. And again, this is like a nice color. It sort of doesn't really pop or sort of do anything too drastic. Kind of reminds me of the Fold 3, which I happen to have here. That silver color, that's kind of what the Fold 7 color is going to be like. Then there is the online exclusive lime color, but it is very, very subtle. Samsung have done these online exclusives for a while now, and the lime just gives that really subtle green tinge to it. It's nice, but this is online.com exclusive only. They are your 4 colors of the Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let me know your favorites down below. Then we have the Flip 7. Flip 7, notoriously, Flips have always had sort of more fun, expressive colors, and this year, I guess, is no different. We have the 2 same colors from the Fold 7. You've got the blue, which I think is really nice on the Flip, and you've got the black. Again, bringing together that sort of slim, svelte aesthetic with the black and the Flip. Both of them really nice on their own. But then we've got the coral red. We did see this earlier this year with the Galaxy S25, and now it's coming to the Flip, and it is stunning. It matches the Flip's sort of lifestyle, fashion-focused design perfectly because it's got the red all on the back. It's bright, it's vibrant, hits you in the face, and it kind of marries and carries over to the front as well a little bit. Really, really like it. Then we've also got the lime exclusive online color for the Flip 7 as well, which is the same as what's on the Fold 7. What I like with the phones, and I guess they've always kind of done this, is they've matched the backgrounds of the phones to the color of the phone. But what I really like with why they've done that is because of the fact, especially with the Flip, you've got no bezels on the front. It kind of gives it that whole color experience. And then when you open it to the inside, you've got the color on the wallpaper in there as well. It really cohesively brings the colors together. You know, you've got the coral red, you've got a red background, and then you've got the blue, you've got a blue background as an example. So they're the 4 Flip 7 colors. Again, let me know your favorite. Then we've got the Flip 7 Fan Edition. And I think we only really got hands-on with one, which was the creamy white color. I don't remember if they said there was a second one. I was just too captivated with the Flip 7 cover screen to really notice. But there's not much more in terms of fun colors. If it was just a black and that was it. And I think that's a little bit disappointing. The Fan Edition has always been kind of like a fun, expressive phone, an experimental one, if you will, to sort of play around with different colorways. But they haven't done that here. The cream is also a glossy glass back, and there's no colored camera rings like there was on the Flip 6 last year, which is sharing that same design aesthetic. The watches are also quite simplified this year too. They've only got a couple of different colorways. The Watch 8, I saw a black and a white, and they're very minimal, very sleek. And then the Watch 8 Classic, same, a black and sort of a silver/white. And I like them both. I like the black one and the Watch 8 Classic more, but they're very minimal in their design offerings. I guess you can accentuate with colors with a band instead of getting the watch itself with a color. The Watch Ultra, though, that's got a nice refresh. That's coming in a nice new blue color, which looks stunning, I must say. So let us know your color combinations for whatever you're ordering in the comments below. And don't forget to use our links down in the comments. My color combinations are definitely going to be blue fold. I think maybe the red flip might be a go for me, or maybe the lime. Definitely the black classic and probably the white. No, you know what? The black Watch 8 as well. Although I probably won't get all of that stuff. Anyway, that's my stuff. You let me know yours down below. Hit subscribe to SamMobile TV. Go check out our website, sammobile.com, for all of the coverage to do with Samsung. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.